ang gagawin natin is spelling ngayon. So, hanggang 22. So, magsagot ka na ngayon. So, number 1. So, write your name first. Number 1, spell imaginative. Imaginative. Okay na? Number 2, spell adventurous. Adventurous. Okay na? Okay. Number 3, spell magnificent. Okay, number 4, jettisoning. Jettisoning.
Soning?
Jettisoning.
Soning?
Oo, jettisoning. Okay, number 5 is disappointed. Disappointed. Okay, number 6 is fascinated. Fascinated. Okay, number 7 is threatened. Threatened. Okay. Number 8 is immediately. Immediately. Number 9 is ancestor. Number 10 is portraits. Portraits.
Traits?
Portraits. Number 11 is creature. Creature. Number 12, expedition. Expedition. Number 13, restless. Number 14 is pursue. Pursue. Pursuit. Number 15 is savage. Savage. Savage.
Beach.
Vage. Savage. Savage. Huwag mo salatan yung table. Savage. savage. Okay na? Okay na? Number 16 is leaping. Leaping. Number 17 is remembered. Remembered.
Huh?
Remembered.
Huh?
Number 18 is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, number 19 is unfulfillment. Unfulfillment. Okay, number 20 is defining. 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 Okay. Okay na? Okay, ito. Yan. Can I check your scores? Imaginative, not. Kapag sinabi nating imaginative, hindi nagsisimula sa letter I yung unahan, hindi letter E. Adventurous. Tama?
Tama.
Tama. Magnificent. Tama. Jettisoning. Hindi G ang unahan, kundi J and double T. Disappointed. Double
P.
P. Fascinated. With letter C. Fascinated. Threatened. Mali. Dapat may TH. Threatened. Threatened.
Mali.
Immediately. Immediately spell IMMEDIATELY. Immediately. Ancestor, single S. Portraits. Mali. Spell portraits is PORTRAITS. Portraits. Creature. Tama. Expedition. Oh. Tama. Restless. Kapag sinabing restless is RESTLESS. Restless. Pursue. 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 PURSUED. Pursue. Savage. 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 Savage.
Mali.
Leaping.
Li.
Oh, mali. Dapat may LEA.
Do you remember?
Remembered. Tama. You, dapat kapag sinabing beautiful, beautiful. Ganon ang, ano niya, then single L sa huli. Beautiful. Unfulfillment. Double L yung feel. Unfulfillment. Defining. Oh, out of 20 for 5 points. So, next time is, ulitin natin ha. Dapat aralin mo siya. And dapat, alam mo yung mga meaning niya. Para sa ganun is, mas nauunawaan natin or mas nai-enhance natin yung mga spelling kapag alam natin yung isang meaning ng isang word. So, next time ha. Pakita mo kay mama mo. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ethan, for your time. Bye.